How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm installing interior LEDs in my MK5 Golf GTI. So this exact set, I bought them for the EJ9, but that ended up getting scrapped. We're then going to put them in the EG, that ended up getting scrapped. Funny enough, they're the same ones I had in my EP2, so there'll be a pop-up banner here. When I installed them, that EP2 ended up getting scrapped as well. These were then going to go in the Audi, and then obviously the Audi broke down, got rid of it. That was going to go scrap as well. So hopefully these aren't jinxed, and hopefully this car does not get scrapped. So yeah, so I'm gonna install these. I know it's dark out, it's winter time, it's literally 4:30, and I'm trying my best to film as many videos as I can. It is hard in winter time because you don't have much daylight, so hopefully the footage will come out better when the lights are in, because you can see them better at night, can't you? So yeah, I'm gonna install these and hopefully I can get some good footage for you guys. Right, so this is the box that it comes in. I'll show you where it is. It's literally exactly the same as the other one I had. So obviously if I just take it out, excuse the mess. Bloody hell. It's a mission to get out one-handed. So yeah, so this is what it is. It's the strips with the red button. And I wanted a red button one again because I just like the look of it. So it goes on and off. And it's literally straightforward again. So 2 strips go on that side, 2 strips go on this side, the bottom, and then this literally just slots into the 12-volt bit, and that's about it. I'll obviously show you in this video anyways. Just need to get it lined up, and you've got to pass the wires through the back. So I don't know if I can really get through the back there. If I can, buzzing. If not, I'll have to figure another way out, but it shouldn't be too hard. Yeah, let's fit it. Right guys, so let me show you how these look. So there's already lights underneath under the footwell, as you can see, but they're not as good as they when the doors open. So let me show you what they look like when you plug in. So obviously just plug it straight in to the port and then just press the red button. Let me switch card on. Just press the red button and it starts up. Excuse the mess. So as you can see, and then you just get the buttons. Just go for the different colours on both sides. And then you close the door. That's how it looks. And obviously that's just facing the floor. So if I put it facing upwards, how bright is that? Yeah, that's what it looked like. That actually does look mega. Obviously once they're all properly taped up and everything, that's just on the floor. When they're underneath, they're hidden away, it looks even better. So I can change it with the button. Blue's quite nice. That looks awesome, that. I'm gonna have to get starlights now as well, just to match it. And then that blue's nice. Purple is one of my personal favourites. Red's quite nice. Red gives that evil look inside, as you can see. Yeah. And then green, not a fan of green. Green's better for underglow, in my personal opinion, as you can see. And then obviously if you have music on, you can change the settings. I can switch it off from the button as well. And then if I want to switch off with that red button, I can switch off with that. Blue is my personal favourite. I've said that for all the colours to be fair. Purple, blue, red, they all look good, but I think blue stays on in the car. Dark blue. Yeah, dark blue. I think dark blue stays on. That's my personal favourite, I'll be honest. Yeah. Now let's install it. Right guys, so as you can see, normally it should get passed through there. Then the other car's done it. There's a gap there. So I'm guessing it goes through there. It's too tight to go through. So it'll literally go through there, go to the other side. So once I figured it out, I'll show you guys where I pass it through. Right guys, so I was squeezing it through that gap and it felt like it was breaking, so I thought, you know what, I won't risk it. I'll have to open all this up, so all these plastic panels that'll need opening up, and that's how I'll get it through easily. It's a bit more work, but it's the better way to do it. So because it's a bit too dark right now, I'll just come and do it tomorrow in the daylight, so have more time on our hands. So yeah, so I'll just do it tomorrow. So this, it'll have to get packed up. I could pass it through, but it might just take longer to do that, and the risk of like breaking it, and because these ends, they come off easily. I could literally pull this off right now. So I just thought, no point risking it. I'll just come and open it up tomorrow. Won't be too hard opening up. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. Right, I know I said I'm gonna do it tomorrow, but I've been sat on YouTube just watching a few clips, and I've seen another alternative of how I can do it. So I'm gonna give it a go now, and if I can't, I'll just come back in the morning and take it all apart. So yeah, the car's obviously, I've moved the car a bit closer to the garage, and I'm just gonna quickly crack on with it. Hopefully it gets done today. Right, so this is gonna come off because you won't be able to go through the back, and I've just seen online that you're just gonna swipe it on. So hopefully it just comes on. Literally after about 2 minutes of trying to pull it, I wouldn't say 2 minutes, I'd say about a minute, it's come down. Right, take these out now. Right, so I've opened up. Hopefully you can go through this gap to the other side. You know how you can see through this side. I've seen a video online where he takes this off and slides it in. But I don't really want to do that, so I'm just going to hopefully slide it through here. If it doesn't work through here, then I'll obviously open all this up. And I was just going to put 2 here and 2 on that side. But I've seen one where he puts 1 here, tucks all the wires inside here, and puts it underneath here. So he's got 1 there and 1 at the back, 1 there and 1 at the back. So I might just try that one. Normally I just put 2 at the front, 2 at the front on that side as well. So let's see. Right, so I've passed that through. As you can see, it's gone through there. And then this one, excuse the mess on the floor, will sit up here like that. And then the wire will come across, and then this strip will sit underneath here. It's long enough, so it'll do. And then the other bits here. So I just need to untangle this, put 1 on there, pass it through. The button will then obviously sit on here, like that. And then the red bit, wherever it is, will sit in there. So hopefully that works to plan. I think it works out better rather than opening all this up. So yeah, let's see. I might just install it and then show you guys once it's done. Right, so it's all lined up. 1 there, 1 on that side, 1 at the back, 1 under here. If I switch it on and close the door, it's not as bright as it was earlier on, obviously for the front. Obviously it still's on the floor, so when it's higher up, might look better. And obviously it's only 1 strip now, so 1 will go there, there. And then obviously ambient lighting will go in next when I get it. And starlight's 100% must. And I'm thinking of upgrading my screen as well, because I use FM transmitter. So for that to be on, that FM transmitter has to be out. So yeah. Let me install it now. Let me just like tape it up and everything, put it in its position, and I'll show you guys. And obviously it's dark, so it will come out nicer. Right, so the driver's side has been done. A couple of the wires are sticking out. I'm not a professional, so yeah, it's all tucked in, and then the back's done. As you can see, that does look mega, to be fair. Now onto that side now. Right, sorted. That's done. The back's done as well. So is that side. Excuse the mess, but yeah, that's mega. If I want to, so the door off, on. I've got the button as well, so I can change the colours. I've already shown you this in the video, but red looks evil, but I'm keeping it blue. yeah, so that's all for this video, guys. That's the installation. I've not really put this in yet. Don't know where to put it. I was thinking down here, but I could do it out here as well. So something like that. So I'm gonna mess about with it later on. And yeah, that's the two LEDs. Next is ambient lighting. So they're just gonna go across here or whatever, in the doors, that side door, and maybe across here. I've seen people do around here, but that's too much over the top. I've got the screen at home which I'm going to put back in because of I use FM transmitter to put my music on for Bluetooth, but because this is in, it's one or the other, so I'll have to just put screen in. And install lights next, and then like I said, even the bulbs need changing. Even this bulb here, when you open it, white bulb, it's got to be, and then the bulb in the corner, which I don't know how well you can see it, that one there, that'll get changed to a colour. So yeah, starlights 100%, and then this one will be white again, white as well. I mean, that should be done for the interior. It looks mega now. I actually do like it. So yeah, so that's all for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you do want to see me install another one properly, I'll put a banner in top. That's the one where I'm installing my EP2, and I installed it properly. But I put two at the front and two on the right side, two on the left side, nothing at the back. But the ones at the back do look mega. I actually didn't think of it, but I'm happy with how it's come out. That looks so good.